You can share your grid sources with other grid customers or access their sources yourself through the token feature. Tokens can be used for one-time temporary access to a source for a single program or event, or they can be used to provide permanent access to a feed. To share a source through a token, select the Grid menu option in Command Center. You will see 4 subtabs underneath the menu bar. Click on the Contribute tab. You will see thumbnails of the sources you own in the My Grid panel on the left. Note that if you do not currently have ownership rights over any grid sources, the My Grid panel on the left of the screen will be blank, and you will need to work with TVU support to create any access tokens. To create a token, in the left panel, select the Token tab and click on the Create Grid Token button to open the Create a Token window. First, give the token a clear and descriptive name that other grid customers can recognize. Now choose how long the token will be active. You can create a permanent token that will stay valid indefinitely, but most tokens are for temporary access to sources, so you can pick the days and times when the token access will begin and end. Next, look at your list of sources in the bottom left. Select the sources that you wish to add to the token and click Add. To finish creating the token, click Create.